You see, you will agree with me that this paragraph changes the whole dimension of this case.
Uyabona-ke noma uyabona yini ukuthi-ke nje le paragraph lena ishintsha konke mayelana nale cala leli.
In relation to you having heard a gunshot in the kitchen and that having been said by your friend Dumelo, it's in stark contrast with what Kelly is saying in the statement. You agree with me?
Mayelana nalokho-ke nokuthi wena-ke uthi wezwa-ke uqhuma kwesibhamu nalokho okushiwa-ke umngani wakho ukuthi-ke kwehlukile nje impela nalokho okushiwo uKelly.
Ngizosho ukuthi ngiyavumelana nawe ngoba la mina noTumelo ngicabanga ukuthi besichaza ukuthi lokho kwenzeka ekitchen. So yena la ugcina ngokuchaza ngokungena kwabantu e-living room.
Okay. I will agree with you there because both myself and Tumelo mentioned or said that it happened in the kitchen. But here she ends up by saying that the people starts by saying that the people entered the living room.
And then akukho la ichaza khona ukuthi baye ekitchen. Kodwa-ke usazoza yena mhlambe la azosikhulumela.
But there is nowhere where she mentions that they went to the kitchen. But maybe she will come here and speak for herself.
And it doesn't end there. This finds support in the blood spots which were found in the sitting room between the couch and the TV stand. It lends credence to the fact that the deceased was shot whilst in the dining room, not at the kitchen. That is what I'm trying to suggest to you. I hope you follow what I'm suggesting to you.
Ukuthi uzongilandela-ke ngikushoyo kuwena-ke ukuthi igazi leli-ke qeda-ke ukhombisa-ke ukuthi latholakala phakathi kwe-TV stand kanye ne-couch. Lokho-ke kusho-ke noma-ke kucindezela-ke lokhu okushoyo-ke ukuthi umufi lona-ke wadutshukelwa khona e-sitting room, hayi e-kitchen.
Ngiyakuzwa.
I hear you.
You will also agree with me that on your return, before that, Exhibit J, which is the identity kit, you told this court that when this first intruder appeared, Long stood up and went out of the house.
Uzokhumbula kushilo ukuthi uma ngabe oqala-ke ngena endlini uLonge wasukuma wasephuma-ke endlini.
Yebo.
Yes.
The warrant officer who compiled the identity kit, that is Warrant Officer Steenkamp, she says that she interviewed several witnesses individually. The fourth witness who was interviewed individually was Mr. L.S. Thwala.
Warrant Officer Steenkamp ekuyena-ke owadweba-ke ngowenza-ke leyo identikit. Uyachaza-ke uthi kunofakazi-ke abawu-4 abanenhloko khona nabo ngama-interview nabo-ke ngamunye. Owesinye-ke kulabo kwakuwu-L.S. Thwala.
According to the warrant officer, she says Thwala gave a similar description of what happened on the scene. He further went on to say he saw a scuffling between suspect A and deceased. After hearing the shots, he ran out to look for help. He could not describe the second suspect. He says he interviewed Thwala. Thwala gave him a similar description of what happened on the scene.
Uthi-ke wakhulumisana naye-ke uThwala wamnikeza-ke ichaza-ke ngokufanayo nalokho okwenzeka kwi-scene, yebo.
He saw the scuffling between suspect A and deceased. After hearing the shots, he ran out to look for help.
wabona-ke isicaphulo sasikhona-ke phakathi kwamufi nayo-ke ususpect A emuva kokuthi wezwa-ke ukuqhuma kwebhamu wasephumela ngaphandle-ke eyofuna usizo.
He could not describe the second suspect.
Akazange akwazi-ke ukuthi amchaze owesibili umsolwa.
Say, I hope you understand this.
Ngiyathemba ukuthi uyakuzwa-ke lokho.
Yebo.
Yes.
In simple terms, it says when in simple terms, it says there was a scuffle between suspect A and the deceased. After hearing the shots, he ran out to look for help. So it says that Longway was in the house when shots were fired.
That is paragraph.
I'm sorry, my daughter, it is not numbered in paragraph, but it is on paragraph. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, paragraph 5 of Exhibit J.
Lana-ke akushoyo nje noma uphumile-ke akuvezayo kuwena ukuthi kathi qhuma isibhamu ngokwalokhu akufundayo noma umefunda lokhu okubhaliweyo ukuthi uLongwe wayesekhona phakathi endlini wayesendlini kathi siqhuma isibhamu ngoba uthi-ke emuva kokuthi saqhuma isibhamu waphuma-ke uyofuna usizo.
Ngiyakuzwa kodwa ngiyakuphikisa lokho.
I hear but I dispute that. Just a moment.
Yes. And do you know who shot at the deceased?
Uyazi ukuthi ubani owadubula umufi?
Ngibe ngishilo ukuthi angeke ngathi ngambona ukuthi wamdubula directly but isibhamu inhlamvu uqale yaqhuma ngibe ngichaza ukuthi babeme kuphi.
There's no one that I saw as to go shot him, but as I said that I did mention or indicate where they were standing when the first shot went off.
If you knew who shot the deceased, were you going to tell this court? If you knew who shot the deceased, were you going to tell this court?
Uma ngaba ubuwazi ukuthi ubani owadubula umufi, wawuzayitshela lenkantolo noma ubuzayitshela lenkantolo?
Ngizoyitshela.
Yes, I would have told you.
I take it that you wouldn't like the killers of your best friend, your beloved friend, to go scot-free.
Ngicabanga ukuthi awungeke uthande ukuthi labo ababulala umngani wakho ekuyena umngani wakho angeke uthande ukuthi bahambe nje baphume bayihambele lapha yana ngaphandle bakhululeke.
Yebo ngizokwenza lokho.
Yes, I wouldn't do that.
Further, you wouldn't like to see the wrong people having to be convicted for something they did not do. Do you agree with me?
Futhi-ke awungeze uthande ukuthi ubone abantu ekungasibona noma abantu abarong belahlwa icala noma belahlwa-ke amacala ukuthi babulala umngani wakho.
Yebo.
Yes.
But according to the statement that I've read to you, the statement by Kelly Kumano, he placed you inside the house when the shot is fired.
Kodwa-ke ngokwestatement lesi engiqeda ukufundela sona-ke sakhe uKelly Khumalo ngokusho kwakhe uKelly Khumalo nkathi isibhamu siqhuma uthi wena angithi wena uthi wawungaphakathi noma sorry uKelly Khumalo uthi wena-ke wawungaphakathi endlini ngale nkathi isibhamu siqhuma.
Yebo qinisela ngaphakathi endlini esikhathi isibhamu siqhuma.
Yes,
Ukhazelile mina kwami ngokuchazela kwami ukuthi ngangaphakathi esikhathi siqhuma.
Yes, it is right that I was inside the house when the shot went off.
Yeah, but you are so intelligent, I did not remind you, can see where I'm going. He further says that when this shot is fired, when you were struggling with the gunman, Senzo looked to be weak he fell on his arm over the couch.
Uqhubeka-ke athi kathi isibhamu sesiqhuma-ke uSenzo kwabukeka-ke nabambona-ke ukuthi uWick wase uSenzo ewake i-couch. I hope I got you. I hope I got you. Oh, the witnesses, you said something about the struggle. Can you repeat that?
Yes, the struggle, there was a struggle there in the dining room where you were also present in the dining room.
Uthi-ke
Before the gunshot.
Kwakunestruggle laphayana e-dining room ukhona-ke ngaphambilini kokuthi isibhamu siqhume.
Ngiyacabanga ukuthi sengikushilo lokho ukuthi lokho akwenzekanga kanjalo. Akazi kube khona i-struggle e-dining room.
I think I've already said that it's not how it happened. There was never a struggle in the dining room.
I will also refer to you to a statement when you believe that this witness is going to be called. This witness is Leslie Msebenzo.
Nesinye futhi-ke statement. Msebenzo?
Ngahle.
Kunesinye-ke futhi istatimende
Sona-ke ngethemba lokuthi lo fakazi-ke uzobizwa naye-ke uLeslie Msebenzo Nqatshe.
Paragraph 5 of his statement reads as follows, and I quote.